Samsung Galaxy A16 5G OS upgrades. The Galaxy A16 5G comes with 6x OS upgrades. OS upgrade and security update policies are subject to change. Actual product may differ from image shown. Battery charging. Power up fast, stay powered long, enjoy what you love without worrying about battery life. The 5,000 mAh battery keeps Galaxy A16 5G running strong on a single charge. With super fast charging, it's back in action quickly. 25 watts charger sold separately. Battery details: typical capacity tested under third-party laboratory conditions. Rated capacity 4,860 mAh. Actual battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage, and other factors. Security. Built to keep your password safe, Samsung Knox Vault isolates pins, passwords, and private information physically so hackers can't access them. Availability varies depending on device model. Actual product may differ from image shown. Samsung Galaxy experience. Smart switch easily transfer data to your new Galaxy device. Quick share, fast, easy, and secure file sharing. Requires Bluetooth Low Energy and Wi-Fi connection. Supports Galaxy Books and compatible Windows PCs. Actual speed depends on device, network, and environment. One UI 6.1 lets you personalize your everyday experience effortlessly. Available on devices with One UI 2.1 Plus and Android QoS or higher. Actual UI may differ. Specifications. General. Weight, 192 grams. Form factor, touchscreen bar. Dimensions, 164.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 millimeters. CPU performance. Processor, octa-core. CPU speed, 2.4 GHz, 2.0 GHz. Display. Size, 6.7, full rectangle, 6.5, rounded corners. Resolution, 1080 by 2340 FHD+. Technology, Super AMOLED. Max refresh rate, 90 Hz. Color depth, 16 Camera. Rear camera. Resolution, 50 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP. F numbers, f1.8, f2.2, f2.4. Autofocus, yes. Optical image stabilization, no. Zoom, digital up to 10x. Flash, yes. Front camera. Resolution, 13 MP. F number, f2.0. Autofocus, no. Optical image stabilization, no. Flash, no. Video recording. Resolution, FHD 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps. Slow motion, 120 fps at HD. Storage memory. RAM, 8 GB. Storage, 256 GB, available 235.4 GB. External storage, micro SD up to 1.5 TB. Network connectivity. Dual nano SIM with hybrid slot. Supports 2G, 3G, 4G LTE, 5G sub-6. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz. Bluetooth v5.3, NFC, yes. USB Type-C, version 2.0. Sensors: accelerometer, fingerprint, gyro, geomagnetic, light, proximity. Battery: 5000 mAh non-removable. Audio video. Video formats: MP4, M4V, 3GP, AV, MKV, Web. Video resolution: FHD 1920 by 1080 at 60 fps. Audio formats: MP3, AAC, WAV, FLAC, and more. Stereo support: no. Gear support: compatible with Galaxy Buds series, Galaxy Watch series, Galaxy Fit series. Samsung DeX, not supported.